Ladies and gentlemen, AutoNext welcomes you to another deep dive into the future of automotive innovation. The 2026 new Hyundai. This model isn't just a refresh. It's a complete redefinition of what modern mobility can feel like. Hyundai continues to raise the bar with its cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and efficient yet powerful performance. Whether you're after comfort, style, or smart features, the 2026 Hyundai delivers a complete package that's ready for the next generation of drivers. Right from the first glance, the exterior design of the 2026 Hyundai stands out as a perfect balance between elegance and boldness. The front fascia has been completely reimagined with a wider, parametric grille that seamlessly merges into the LED headlights, creating a futuristic look. The daytime running lights form a continuous light bar across the front, giving the car an unmistakable signature even from a distance. Smooth character lines flow across the side, emphasizing aerodynamic efficiency and sophistication, while the rear features a sleek taillight, design that stretches across the trunk for a more cohesive and premium look. The sculpted bumpers and redesigned alloy wheels add a sporty edge that shows Hyundai's focus on both form and function. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels like it belongs in a much more expensive vehicle. Hyundai has focused on comfort, technology, and a minimalist aesthetic to make the driving experience more serene and intuitive. The dashboard layout is clean, featuring a curved panoramic display that combines a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen into a single seamless unit. The infotainment system runs on Hyundai's latest software, offering faster navigation, natural voice commands, and full connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials are top-notch, from soft touch panels to eco-friendly upholstery options made from recycled materials and vegan leather. Every inch of the interior has been optimized for comfort and convenience. The seats are redesigned with ergonomic contours that provide exceptional support during long drives, and both rows offer generous legroom. The ambient lighting system allows for customizable color themes to suit your mood, and the multi-zone climate control ensures every passenger enjoys their perfect temperature. The cabin also features a premium Bose sound system that delivers crystal clear audio, creating a refined atmosphere that makes every drive enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2026 Hyundai offers a versatile range of powertrains to match different driving preferences. Depending on the market, buyers can choose from a fuel-efficient hybrid, a plug-in hybrid, and a turbocharged gasoline engine. The hybrid models combine a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor for improved performance and fuel economy, while the plug-in version offers a pure electric range of up to 40 miles before switching to hybrid mode. Performance isn't the only highlight. Safety is just as impressive. The 2026 Hyundai comes with the latest generation of Hyundai SmartSense, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. It includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane following assist, forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and even highway driving assist with semi-autonomous lane change capability. These systems work seamlessly to enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue, especially on long trips or in city traffic. The car also includes a 360-degree camera system and parking sensors for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Efficiency remains one of Hyundai's strongest suits. The hybrid models are expected to deliver around 50 miles per gallon combined, while the plug-in versions can save even more on fuel for city commuters. Hyundai's regenerative braking system further improves range and efficiency by converting braking energy back into usable power. Practicality is another area where this new Hyundai shines. The spacious trunk and foldable rear seats provide excellent cargo flexibility, while features like a smart power tailgate, multiple USB-C ports, and wireless phone charging make everyday life easier. The build quality feels solid and refined, reflecting Hyundai's ongoing push toward premium territory. As for pricing, the 2026 Hyundai is expected to start around $27,000 for the base model, with the top trims reaching up to $41,000, depending on configuration and market. Given the design, technology, and performance packed into this car, it stands as a strong value proposition in its class, competing with some of the best from Japan and Europe, while often undercutting them in price. Overall, the 2026 new Hyundai showcases everything the brand has been working toward: innovation, sustainability, and a bold sense of identity. It's smart, efficient, stylish, and designed to offer a premium experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a family-friendly sedan, this new Hyundai proves that practicality and luxury can coexist beautifully. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more upcoming car launches and reviews, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AutoNext. Your support keeps us bringing the latest from the world of automotive innovation straight to your screen.